Oh, we should also, you shouted out Aiden Films the other day. This square steak video is going crazy viral right now. This is super high-end Wagyu steak. 5 million views now in 2 days on a steak, ladies and gentlemen. And the coolest thing about this video, you don't even know this, Will. Coolest thing about this video is the way it's served. Okay, you don't know this. I got to educate you.
Okay.
Because you don't really know what you're watching.
All right.
I know you spend time watching, but you're not really sure what you're watching here. You only get the 3 slivers to eat, and then the other 3 aren't cooked until you've eaten those.
Right.
You see how that goes?
Yeah.
Because you got to eat it at the exact right temperature each time. Mm-hmm. Also, what we learned, if you would like to get views on the internet, take something that's normally one shape and make it another shape.
Yeah, that's true.
Just shave the ends off of it.
I mean, the thumbnail.
The thumbnail is unbelievable. It's sizzling. You see the butter down there. No, it's cooked through. It's still, I would say, medium maybe. It's so buttery and fatty to begin with, Jack. It's so tender. If you see the knife go through it, it's honestly like butter. It's so tender. Yeah, and we always get to food at the end of the show every time. That everybody's hungry, and then we get to food. But anyhow, he paid the rarest steak in the world. I've watched a number of his videos, and it's always between, $100 and $200 for these steaks. This man is eating fancy steaks.
Yep, and he cooks his own.
Yeah,
sometimes in his backyard.
And he eats a lot of seafood and other things as well. But this one, he doesn't put the price, though he does show the price on the menu. Let's do a quick conversion here. When he lifts up the menu, Will, take a glance at the price in yen, and let's do stop right there. 20,000 yen. Give us a 20,000 yen to dollars.
What do you guys think?
I mean, it's probably 200, 300.
Say 150.
Okay, here we go. 184. Okay.
Yeah.
So that particular square steak, that's a $200 steak. You got to put a little tax on there. Jack's not happy about it.
I was expecting
more expensive. What do you want?
Well, this is only Wagyu. There's like Kobe, which is like the world's best. A1 Kobe.
See, he doesn't say, by the way, that this is the most expensive. He says the rarest. In other words, he can't get it everywhere.
Yeah.
It's very specific. The choice of steak is olive beef sirloin. It's an exclusive type of beef where the cattle is raised on the remains of pressed olives. Yeah, you see, Jack, you don't even know. So I'm going to Japan after this. I'm going to catch the next flight. And I'm heading to the prefecture. So you didn't know I knew that, Will. Yeah.
I told you about that.
Yeah. So anyway, shout out Aiden Films. If you're feeling hungry, go check out the square steak. You probably already saw it in your suggested. 5 million views, couple days on a steak. Ladies and gentlemen, have a nice dinner.